Right then, so welcome to the channel. I'm going to do a video today on clutch control. So lots of people have lots of trouble when they're stalling the car, and a good way to get over stalling is to get used to the clutch pedal, to have some good clutch control. So that's the purpose of today's video. And of course there's going to be more videos like this, so don't forget to subscribe, and we'll help you with all aspects of learning to drive and a bit more on top of that. So first of all then, so clutch control. So I've got the engine started, as you can possibly hear. I'm in a diesel car today. So what I'm going to do is put my clutch pedal down to the floor, and I've put the car into first gear. So I'm on a hill, so if I let the handbrake off, you'll see the movement outside there. We're rolling backwards down the hill, so that's fine. I'll put my foot on the brake to stop that from happening, and the handbrake on. Right then, so I'm going to put the car into first gear, and what I'm going to do is just find the biting point. You can possibly hear that. It's got a bit of biting point there. And I'm just going to check around to make sure we're safe and let the handbrake off. And you can see, probably see from the background, the car's just moving forwards there, which is fine. So I'm just going to dip the clutch down just a little bit, and there we go. The car is holding nice and steady. So to move the car forward, I'm just going to bring the clutch up just a little bit, as you can see on the camera there, and just creeping the car. The clutch pedal's not all the way up to the top; it's just up a little, and the car's creeping forwards. And if I want to stop the car creeping forwards, I can just dip the clutch down just a little, and there we go. We've stopped. Keeping an eye on the mirrors while we're doing this, of course. Great thing to practice, but do keep yourself safe while you're practicing it. So I'm just going to dip the clutch down just a little, and you'll feel the car just rolling backwards, clutch back up to the biting point, and there we go. It's holding steady there. So now I'm just going to check around again, just going to get the car moving. So I'm just bringing the clutch up just a little, getting the car moving, just creeping along. Nobody coming up the road, no one overtaking me. So the clutch isn't all the way up to the top at this point. To get the car moving now, I'm just going to push a little bit of gas in there, and clutch gently all the way up to the top. And you can see how easy I made that look, but of course I've been driving for many years. So I'm just going to pull over and stop again. We're still on a hill, nobody around, so I can stop on this hill here quite comfortably. Okay, so if you're stalling quite a lot, then using the clutch control there is a good way to get a good feel for how the clutch pedal is on your car. And by getting a feel for how the clutch pedal is on your car, you'll find pulling away from junctions, pulling away at roundabouts a whole lot easier. We will do a video specifically on stalling, causes of stalling, things like that. But if you can get hold of the clutch control, work on that, then you're going to overcome all of your stalling problems. So I hope that's helped. Drop us a comment below if you want us to cover anything else on these videos, and we'll do our best to answer any questions.